Welcome to our comprehensive guide on mastering control flow in Java. In this video, we'll delve into the intricacies of if, else, and switch statements, essential components for every Java programmer. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have a solid understanding of how to control the flow of your Java programs effectively. Control flow statements dictate the order in which your program executes its code. They allow you to make decisions based on conditions, enabling your program to respond dynamically to different scenarios. Let's start with the if statement. It's the most basic form of control flow in Java. With an if statement, you can execute a block of code only if a specified condition is true. Otherwise, the code block is skipped entirely. But what if the condition isn't met? That's where the else statement comes in. It allows you to specify an alternative block of code to execute when the if condition evaluates to false. Sometimes, you may have multiple conditions to check. In such cases, you can use an if-else ladder, where each condition is checked sequentially until one of them evaluates to true. Now, let's explore the switch statement. Unlike if-else, switch provides a cleaner way to handle multiple conditions. It evaluates an expression and executes the code block associated with the matching case label. Remember to use the break statement to exit the switch block once a match is found. Without it, the execution would continue into the next case, leading to unexpected behavior. Additionally, you can include a default case in your switch statement. This block is executed when none of the case labels match the expression, providing a fallback option. In conclusion, mastering control flow in Java is essential for writing efficient and flexible code. If, else, and switch statements are powerful tools that allow you to direct the flow of your programs based on specific conditions. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Java programming tutorials. Happy coding!